Demand for AI skills on the rise as Fiverr searches spike for freelancers. With all the hype and excitement surrounding generative AI technologies, there has been a corresponding growth in the interest that businesses have in using artificial intelligence, AI. While there is lots of interest in figuring out how to use AI to help a business, finding the right people to help an organization use AI effectively isn't necessarily an easy task. It's an area that has led to a surge of interest on freelance marketplace Fiverr, with a 1,400% increase in searches for AI-related services over the last 6 months. Organizations are looking for individuals that are able to help them take advantage of all manner of AI technologies, including generative AI capabilities for image and text generation that can help to improve marketing, sales, and business operations. Fiverr has a history of helping organizations fill talent needs, growing strongly during the pandemic as demand for freelance remote skills accelerated. Fiverr is now turning its attention to AI, today introducing a series of new categories to its freelance marketplace to help businesses find the talent they need to benefit from the power that AI can bring. We've seen a trend of increasing searches for AI-related services, Yoav Hornung, head of verticals and innovation at Fiverr, told VentureBeat. We've also started seeing more freelancers creating offerings that are related to the world of generative AI, for the most recent tools like ChatGPT, GPT-3, Midjourney, DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. Why do organizations want freelancers for AI from Fiverr anyway? Fiverr creates new categories on its service as a way to help both organizations and freelancers connect. It's an approach that isn't just about providing a specific category, but also about providing the right structure to help a company make a request to bring in the right skills to achieve a business outcome. For generative AI, there has been growing demand for AI artists that are skilled in the use of the various tools that exist. We're very excited about